Hi everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Random Shoots 94. My name's Andy, and in this first tutorial I'm going to show you how to stream HD quality movies, documentary TV series and live channels straight onto your computer. For doing this we need a piece of software called Xbox Media Center. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your web browser and Google Xbox Media Center, and the first link you find, the xbmc.org, is the official page. And if you go to the download section, you can find the software suitable for any operating system that you have. In this case I'm going to choose Windows, but I'm not going to download it because I already have it saved on my desktop. So what we do is we start the program, install it, sorry. Alright, once the installation is finished, we select Run XBMC and click Finish. And this is automatically going to open up our software. Alright, here you see the main user interface. It's pretty easy and intuitive. It works better if you move around this menu using your keyboard. Just the arrows makes it much easier to use, but you can use your mouse if you prefer. So once you install the software, if you go on to videos for examples, here you should be able to get all your files, but at the moment we don't have any. So you can add all your movies you have already downloaded or any other kind of file you have. But what we're going to do is something different. We're going to stream it straight from the internet from different sources. So to be able to do that, we have to insert some add-ons onto this software, and this is where it becomes a bit more tricky, but don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to do it. So first thing, we go to System and we scroll down to File Manager. So once we're here, we right click on Add Source and click Add Source. In the first bar up here we type in http:// fusion.xbmchub.com/. We click Done, and then under here we put whatever name we want to call it, so I'll just call it Fusion, and we click Done and OK. So once we have added this source, we can go back to System and we click on Settings. On Settings we go on Add-ons, Install from zip file, and on the left here, on the right, sorry, if we have done the previous step right, we should get this band here called Fusion. We click on it, and here we're going to have all the most popular add-ons that get used for this software. So if we go on like movies .tv here, we get all the add-ons for watching TV programs and movies and stuff like that. So I'll show you the most popular ones, and then you can play around with the other ones, but I'll show you the most like advanced ones where you can find a lot of movies and stuff like that. So what I will say, it's instead of going to movies and TV here, we can go to most popular, and what you want to add is one channel. You click on it, and if you wait a few seconds under here, there you go, add-on has been enabled. You get this message. Once you get that message, you go on Get Add-ons, And for one channel, the repertory is this one called here. It's a strange name, I can't even spell it, but you click on this, and then you click video add-ons, and you find the channel that you want to add. You click on this again, and you click install. This will download the channel first, and it will take a few minutes because this is a quite large repertory, so you let this go. And whilst that's loading, I'll show you another really cool one. So we go back to install from zip file, Fusion, most popular, and Ice Film. We click Ice Film repertory. So we should get this message down here. There we go, we got this message. So you can read the name here, Anarchy, I don't know what it says, but if you go in here, you can find it. So I click on this, video add-ons, Ice Films, and you click install on this one as well. So the download will start here as well. We can go back and see up here, currently downloading add-ons. If you don't have any downloads going on, this band here won't be visible. So in this case we have Ice Films 97% downloaded, and one channel 44% downloaded. So we're going to wait until these finish downloading, and I'll show you a few tricks. Alright, Ice Films has finished downloaded. So to view your channels, you go back to the main screen and you click videos, add-ons, and here you'll find the channels that you added. So we have Ice Films, one channel is still downloading, so it's not visible yet. So if we click on Ice Films, it's going to ask you for this message. You just remind me later. So here you go, you got TV shows, movies, music, stand-up comedy, whatever you want, but you can also search through the repertory if you want. So I'll just click movies, so you get HD 720p. You can click popular, latest release. I'll just click latest release. Let's just select one. I have no idea what they are, but let's have a look. What? So if we, for example, we click on American Hustle, whatever you call it. So you click on it and it comes up down here working, so it's loading it. The first times it will take a bit longer, but after a while it gets faster and faster because it has to download each link. So here you get all the sources where you can get this from. So the first ones are HD, then it comes to DVD, and then DVD screen. So the HD ones are always the best. So usually the first ones are the most successful ones. So we click here. This starts loading up. Yeah, sometimes it will ask for some CAPTCHA. So we'll write this on the keyboard. TUM, I think. I don't know if I put that right in. Usually they don't come up, it depends what service you use, but yeah, so this was wrong. I'll try another one. I'll try this one. I know this one usually doesn't ask for any CAPTCHA. Billion uploads, I don't know what that is. Yeah, so it's not asking you for this one. And so the movie starts straight away. Fast forward. So as you can see, quality is really good. Streaming doesn't stop, it keeps going nice and smooth. So yeah, as you can see, it works fine. I'm just gonna stop this and go back. So if we go back here, we have one channel now. It automatically added YouTube as well. As you can see, you're gonna get this message at the beginning, but you just close it up here and it keeps running anyway. So you got movies and TV shows again. If you go on movies, most popular, one channel usually has more TV series and stuff like that, but sometimes you find low quality things, but in most cases it's pretty reliable and good quality. Yeah, so one channel takes a lot longer to load the lists, but when you load the movie, when you start the movie or the TV show, it never stops, so that's good. There we go. So if we click like, for example, the Avengers. You can see here working. So here we got our files. So you can see how many people have viewed this particular file. So I'll just click the first one. And once it starts, you can see it's good quality. This is not full HD, this is standard definition, but as you can see, it's not bad, it's really good actually. No problem with that. You can fast forward, usually, yeah.
Tells you everything.
So, yeah, talk to Fury, he needs you on this.
He needs me in a cage?
No one's gonna put you in.
Stop lying to me!
Alright.
I'm sorry, that was me.
I'll stop this on the back here as well. So that's pretty much it. You can also add TV channels like live streaming. I'll show you that in the next video if I have any requests for it. It's always in the add-ons list, but I can make a video if I get any requests. I hope you liked this video. This is the first one I've made so far. Please subscribe if you liked it, and thumbs up the video. If I get this channel started properly, I'll be posting videos once a week if my studies allow me to do that. So yeah, that's all. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.